Naked Leader Week 1059. It don't come easy. As Ringo Starr sang in 1971, outcomes may be simple. Achieving them can be anything but. Amid the global worrying news in the Middle East, the continuing wars around the world and the human suffering, one piece of hopeful news emerged: the restoration of the Stormont Parliament in Northern Ireland, 2 years after its abandonment. 26 years on from the historic, many thought impossible, Good Friday Agreement, several amazing outcomes have happened. Governance of Northern Ireland restarting. Sinn Féin's Michelle O'Neill, daughter of a former IRA prisoner, will be First Minister in a Unionist-led Parliament, promising to be inclusive and respectful. And an end in sight for checks on goods moving within the UK and the imposition of EU law. Those are the outcomes, and they only happen because of the endless, tireless, and at times I imagine fractious, informal behind-the-scenes discussions. And the lesson for me is that the big decisions made in organisations rarely happen in endless meetings. They happened in off-the-record, unofficial, water-cooler Zoom chats. With my love and best wishes to you all, David.